Have you seen the cost of heating and cooling repairs? Yikes. Don't repair that AC or furnace until you watch this. I bet you're repairing your old unit because you think it'll save you money, right? Wrong. That's because you're thinking a new system will cost between $10,000 and $12,000. What you don't know is that you can buy a new furnace online for just over $800. A new AC, less than $1,100. And with prices this low, it's time to forget that repair and think about replacement instead. If your repair costs 50% or more than the cost of a new unit, get it replaced. With our online prices, that means any repair over $450 is a waste of money. Plus, you'll save on your monthly heating and cooling bills with a new, more efficient unit. Not only do you save big, but you don't have to wait. Our units are in stock and ready to ship fast, thanks to our nationwide distribution network. And it's super easy. Anyone can quickly buy online at HVACdirect.com with our smart buying tool. Just select through the options you want and search for what's available. So instead of asking repair or replace, why not ask save money or waste money? To save money, go to HVACdirect.com for more info.